Hello, wonderful moms out there. Facing challenges with your milk supply, especially after a tough period, can feel overwhelming. But remember, it's possible to bring your supply back with a few key steps. First, try to reduce stress whenever possible. Easier said than done, but stress can significantly impact your milk production. Find small moments for self care, even if it's just a few minutes of deep breathing or a short walk. Next, hydration and nutrition are your best friends. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet rich in protein. Include galactogogues like lactomagic powder and Morico tablets. Also, skin to skin contact with your baby can stimulate milk production, so cuddle away. Most importantly, keep trying to breastfeed or pump regularly, even if it's just a little at time. This signals your body to produce more milk. And remember, you are not alone. Seek support a lactation consultant doctor who understands. You're doing an incredible job, and your effort is the greatest gift to your baby. Keep going. Your love and dedication are making a difference.